Hello friends, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can share your exact location with your friend, family or someone else. So how can you do it? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So we need to go Google Maps. So go there. Okay, you can see map. Okay, in this one, click on it, and after getting this interface, we have to click here. You can see the button, then click on it, and after clicking on the icon, then there is appearing some option. So from them we need to choose location sharing. Okay, you can here see this, click on it. Okay, then click another, here share location, click on it, and here is couple of option. You need to know that here is the option. You can see this for 1 hour. Okay, so for 1 hour, okay, you click on it, and after clicking, then you are seeing two option here for 1 hour and until you turn this off. Okay, so for 1 hour you can customize it. If you want to increase time, then you have to click plus icon. You can see the right side. Okay, then 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. If you want to decrease, then click minus, more times. Okay, so this is the way. It means if you share your location to your friends, family, or someone else, then they will able to find you within this time. Okay, so after expired time, they aren't able to find your location. And the second option, until you turn this off, it means if you share your location to your friends, then they will able to find you until you will off this location share. Okay, so this is the option you can choose according to your demand. So after completing this option, then we need to go here. You can see a couple of options here. The firstly, you can see contact number. Okay, so if you click contact number, then they will get message from you, and then they will able to enter um, through that link. Okay, and if you want to share your location through social media, then you can see here message, WhatsApp, Gmail, and etc. So I just need to copy to clipboard. Okay, you can see here the option. Okay, here copy to clipboard. Okay, when you click on this, then your location is still remaining copy. So whatever you want to share to the location, then you will able to do that through this option. Okay friend, I think okay, there is another point here. When you copy to clipboard, they require to turn in your location. So I don't need to turn on my location right now. So you can turn on your device so that people can know that you are still staying the specific place. Okay, so friend, today is no more, and please subscribe my channel, and I will provide you tricks and tips related tutorial. Okay, so thank you for watching.